Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 68. We start with this column here. We're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 6, 2 here, so 6, 8, and no help here, 2, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and 5 here. So 2, 4, 1, 4, and 5 here. So that makes us our 2, 4, 1 here. So 5, 1. This 2 makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 8, 2. For this top row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 8, no help here, 4, 6, 8, no help here, 4, 6, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 3. 3 covering this box, so 2, 4, 2, 4. That means the only place our 3 can be in that row is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 7 here, so 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 4. Then we can get rid of this 4 and this 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 6. That 3 makes us our 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. Oh, this 9 makes this our 6, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, 3 here, so 2, 6, and no help here, 2, 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6, 6 here, so 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 6, no help here, 4, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4, 6, and 7 here. That makes this our 2, 3. That 3 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 6, 3. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. 4 and 6 makes this our 7. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here. That makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 6, 4. That 8 makes this our 5, 6, and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.